Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. Delano Franklin or the one-time People's National Party PNP senator dead. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF are reporting more than 700 murder cases get cleared up last year. The police are looking at one big case of people coming out of the country the wrong way in a Mandeville, Manchester. Now for the full story then. Delano Franklin or the one-time People's National Party PNP senator dead. Him dead yesterday. Him did sick for some time. Franklin did a 63 years old and him did serve as Minister of State in the Ministry for Foreign Affairs. On top of that, him did a one lawyer and one businessman too. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF are reporting more than 700 murder cases get cleared up last year. According to Deputy Commissioner for Police Fitz Bailey, although enough backlog of case in the country, the detective them are work hard for clear up the case them. On top of that, him said the officer them are get better training and this help out enough. The police said them are looking at one big case of people coming out of the country the wrong way in a Mandeville, Manchester. This come after the police do an operation and find 15 Indian people who come from foreign in a Balvenie Heights. Some police from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation branch CTAC and some officer from the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA find the people them. The National Road Safety Council, NRSC, where Prime Minister Andrew Holness run, are going to meet up today for talk about some part of the Road Traffic Act. The Minister them for National Security, Health, Justice and Transport are going to do it too. According to Dr. Lucien Jones, or the Vice Chairman for the NRSC, them are going to talk about how to make the road them safer. Him say 488 people dead on the road in 2022. Gunman killed one electrician in Westmoreland last night. The man, a 67 years old Luton Dokai Brown, who come from Old Hope in the parish. According to the police report, Brown did there at one shop in the community when one gunman walked up to him and shot him up. People called the police and them carried the man to hospital where doctor say him dead. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.